Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the latest trends in technology and innovation. Today, I have something incredibly exciting to share with you all. Brace yourselves for a new revolution in the world of chatbots, ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Imagine having a virtual assistant that can engage in natural conversations just like a human. Well, that's exactly what ChatGPT brings to the table. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to text input. It's like having a conversation with a real person, except it's powered by artificial intelligence. How does it work? ChatGPT leverages the power of a massive dataset and complex algorithms to understand and respond to user queries. It analyzes the context of the conversation and generates coherent and contextually relevant responses. With an impressive ability to understand nuances of language, it can handle a wide range of topics and adapt to different conversational styles. Applications of ChatGPT. The applications of ChatGPT are truly mind-blowing. From customer support chatbots to virtual assistants, this revolutionary technology is transforming the way we interact with computer systems. Imagine getting instant assistance without the need for human intervention. It's faster, more efficient, and available 24/7. Benefits and limitations. ChatGPT has its pros and cons, just like any other cutting-edge technology. On the positive side, it reduces the workload for human operators, improves response times, and provides consistent customer support. However, as with any AI system, there are limitations. ChatGPT may occasionally generate incorrect or nonsensical responses, and it lacks the ability to truly understand emotions or engage in complex reasoning. The future of ChatGPT. As AI technology continues to advance, so does the potential of ChatGPT. OpenAI is constantly refining and upgrading the model to enhance its capabilities. With further advancements in natural language processing and better training techniques, we can expect even more impressive conversational AI systems in the near future. Suggested video titles. 1. Unleashing ChatGPT, the future of conversational AI. 2. ChatGPT, say hello to your new AI assistant. 3. Transforming customer support with ChatGPT. 4. ChatGPT, bridging the gap between humans and AI. 5. ChatGPT, the next big thing in virtual assistants. Video description. Get ready to witness the future of artificial intelligence with ChatGPT. This groundbreaking technology by OpenAI brings the power of natural language conversation to the palm of your hand. Join me as we explore the endless possibilities and applications of ChatGPT, and discover how it's revolutionizing the way we interact with AI systems. Don't miss out on this exciting journey into the world of ChatGPT. Like, comment, and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest tech trends.